what it comes down to is kind of understanding what is the core concept behind the questions you're being presented with. Oftentimes that means working with a particular formula or concept, or maybe a few different formulas in conjunction. So what you want to do is understand, what do you need to learn in order to do well in either an exam or actually, a problem that you're trying to solve. And, understand what those concepts are, understand the formulas, build up to, why the formulas are, made the way that they are. And then, once you have those components in place, it really comes down to a lot of practice. So getting, practice problems from either your book, or you can, take the, chapter from your book and actually put that into something like an AI or ask it to create practice problems for you. And that's another way to test your understanding. So I think the most efficient way to, study, in short, is to know what you need to know in order to get the grade that you're looking for, and then essentially focus on practicing those skills in an efficient way by learning the why behind what you're learning, and then go into something where you practice the skill you built up, the speed in what you're doing, so that way you can deal with problems efficiently.